Hi friends, welcome to Nishasfoodhut. Today I'm going to share an ideal juice recipe for glowing skin and good health. It is called the ABC juice. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm using one medium size carrots that are of 2, one beetroot, one medium size apple, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 1 inch of ginger. So now here I'm going to add half a cup of water to this mixture and I'm going to just grind it coarsely. Now after blending it, here I'm going to just filter the mixture and extract the juice from it. This juice helps in good health and gives a clear glowing skin. It also helps in good digestion and also helps in weight loss. It is ideal to have it as a morning drink. So now I'm going to add some water again and I'm going to just extract the juice from it. It is very essential and it can be taken in an empty stomach in the morning. It is an ideal time to take this juice. It is very healthy. So now if you see, I have extracted all the juice from the carrot, beetroot and apple and what I have added to enhance the flavor and to get rid of the raw smell of the vegetables and the fruits. I'm going to add half a lemon juice and I'm going to give it a good mix. So here now our ABC juice is ready. So there are numerous nutrients and benefits in this juice. It is a magic drink indeed. So please do try this recipe at home. Stay healthy. Subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. Press the bell icon to see my future videos. Stay connected. Keep watching. Meet you soon.